put it on my back.
This is sad. I'm washing out.
I can't touch his jacket because I have crap all over my hand. It's already nasty. We already got. Oh my god.
This is funny, Mom.
This didn't get him.
What the heck? I'm gonna wash my freaking face.
What?
Oh.
It's a heart at least.
Oh.
Lindsay, we're not gonna
Mommy, go his bag, Ma.
Just let us do.
No.
Okay, ready?
What is that?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Did you say he's on a diet? No, he already got it. Oh.
Yeah, you didn't get that.
Can you pull my pants up?
I can't do it here. I can't grab anything.
Just pull it up.
OMG.
Insensitive.
I can't even move. Look at this.
Just let us do it.
I need to wash my face again. Get
You guys are getting his shirt all dirty.
It's okay. It's your fault. You're getting all over him. Oh, my face. Yeah, stupid.
Oh, I got on my head.
Yeah, it's all over our clothes, too.
Yeah.
Wait, not my shoes, guy. Take off my shoes. He's never gonna. We're gonna get him. Oh my god. I just showered. I know.
Just wipe it on his back.
No, don't give him any idea.
It's already on his back.
Yeah, it's already on his back.
No, he's gonna.
I need this. Don't get his shirt dirty. Yeah, okay.
Oh yeah, don't. Because he's gonna clean.
I'm trying to adjust me.
Just let us. Yeah. Courtney, we got him. Now I think he's doing this little ball thing. He's a wrestler. Oh.
Turn out. I haven't seen you.
So nasty.
Queen Granny, you don't even have anything on you. Look at this. Paula, you do not have anything. That is nothing. Your eyes are all red. Here, do it.
No. She started all this.
I have way more than we.
You look so happy. Mom, you look so happy.
You guys should do my hair.
I just spent 10 minutes washing it off my
Can you take
face.
a few pictures?
Look, just open your mouth when they're about to put
Oh,
it
it's in my mouth.
It was in my nose.
Okay, do I stop recording?
Yeah, take pictures. Hold on.